Hello to everyone! Thank you for joining me. In this video I will briefly demonstrate one more AI application from the series of AI apps I'm currently working on for my portfolio. At the top you can see the field where you can provide your prompt. To begin, let's select a simple task that is frequently asked during numerous coding interviews. This application, and AI agent in particular, were inspired by Code Agent from the Small Agents framework by Hugging Face. What does this agent do? It generates Python code and executes it to answer your request. Here is the final result, and here is generated code. As you can see, the problem was efficiently solved using the dynamic programming approach and following the best coding practices. Let's challenge it with a bit more complicated question. This one looks quite challenging, in my opinion. In the meantime, let's check what we have under the hood. The application has a monolithic modular structure that is packed into a Docker container. Inside, we have a React AI agent created with the help of the LangGraph framework. The agent shares this container with Gradio, which allowed me to quickly build a web graphical user interface for this application. Here, you can see the graph that visualizes the agent workflow. This node is responsible for initializing the state. This node is responsible for optimizing a user's query. The next node is responsible for generating the Python code. This node is responsible for executing the generated Python code in the remote isolated cloud sandbox provided by E2B. Let's check what's going on with our request execution. Okay. Everything looks fantastic. After finalizing the process, the end user can simply copy the Python code using this button and execute it in any other environment after review, if needed. Also, the code can be stored as a file with the help of this button. Currently, this application operates in text-to-text and text-to-code modes. However, its functionality can be easily extended to include images, plots, and other files as a final result of Python code execution. And to prove you that it wasn't rigged, I can show you application logs. As you can see, the state of the agent was transferred between different nodes and updated. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact me with any questions.